In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a weekly planner, vertical bar Google Sheets tutorial. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. You can do this by searching for Google Sheets or by going directly to the Google Sheets homepage if you already have it bookmarked. Once you are there, make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use, because you will need access in order to save your own copy of the planner. Next, open a page that offers free planner templates designed for Google Sheets. Look for the section labeled Free Planner Templates in Google Sheets. This is where you will find ready-made planner designs that you can use without building one from scratch. Using a template is a quick way to start, and it also helps ensure your layout is clean and easy to read. When you see the template options, click on the highlighted template area. This highlighted section is typically the preview or the main selection panel for the planner design. Clicking it should take you closer to the template details, where you can choose the format that works in Google Sheets. After that, select the option that says Google Sheets. This step is important because many template sites let you use the same design in different tools. Choosing Google Sheets ensures the planner opens as a spreadsheet and that all formatting is preserved correctly when it loads. Once the template opens in Google Sheets, you will usually see a prompt that says Make a Copy. Click Make a Copy to create your own editable version. This keeps the original template unchanged and gives you a personal copy that you can rename, adjust, and update whenever you want. If you are prompted to confirm where to save it, choose a folder in your Google Drive where you can find it easily later. Finally, in your new spreadsheet, click on the tab labeled Weekly Planner. Spreadsheet templates often include multiple tabs, so selecting Weekly Planner takes you to the exact page meant for planning your week. From here, you are ready to start entering your tasks and plans directly into the layout. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.